Hi guys, welcome back sa akin channel. Ito yung Love View Wired and Wireless NIC information natin sa subject na Data Communications Laboratory. So yung objectives ng experiment na to is for part 1, identify and work with PC NICs, and part 2, identify and use the system tray network icons. So for the background or scenario, this lab requires you to determine the availability and status of the network interface cards or NICs on the PC that you use. Windows provides a number of ways to view and work with your NICs. In this lab, you will access the NIC information of your PC and change the status of these cards. So required resources, 1 PC, Windows with 2 NICs, wired and wireless, and a wireless connection. So instructions, part 1, identify and work with PC NICs. In part 1, you will identify the NIC types in the PC that you are using. You will explore different ways to extract information about these NICs and how to activate and deactivate them. So, ganito yung natin. So, ayan. Step 1, navigate to the control panel. So, ayan yung control panel natin. Then, click View Network and Status and Tasks under Network and Internet heading in the category View. Then, click the Change Adapter Settings. So, makikita natin dito. In the Network Connections window, the results provide a list of NICs available on this PC. Look for your Wi-Fi adapter. So, ito yung sa Ethernet cable natin, yung sa Ethernet 2. Then, yung isa, yung wireless na connection natin is naka-disabled. So, step 2, work with your wireless NIC. Locate the wireless network connection. If it is disabled, right-click and select Enable to activate your wireless NIC. So, enable natin. So, yan, enabled na. If the wireless network connection is not currently connected, right-click and select Connect and Disconnect to connect an SSID. Right-click, connect and disconnect. So, ayan, right-click and connected na siya. Wait. Connect and disconnect. So, connected na siya sa open natin yung Wi-Fi. So, ayan, connect daw natin. So, wait lang natin. So, ayan. Then, right-click, wireless network connection. Dito pala, status. Then, the wireless network connection status windows displays where you can view information about your wireless connection. What is the service set identifier SSID for the wireless router of your connection? So, ayan yung wireless, yung service set identifier natin. Network error yung name. What is the speed of your wireless connection? Speed is 130 Mbps. So, click the details. So, ayan yung details ng wireless connection natin. To display the network connection details window. What is the MAC address of your wireless NIC? So, ayan yung MAC address natin, 7C-B2-70-D2-30-A7. Do you have multiple IPv4 DNS server listed? If so, why would multiple DNS servers be listed? So, unfortunately, meron lang tayong isang IPv4 DNS server which is 192.168.100.1. So, open a Windows command prompt and type ipconfig all. So, cmd. So, ipconfig-all. So, punta tayo sa wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. So, notice that the information displayed here is the same information that was displayed in the network connection details window in step E. So, ayan, makikita natin yung physical address. Same lang dito. 7C-B2-70, ayan dito. So, yung IPv4 address natin, pareho lang din. Itong 192.168.100.1.35. Then, yung DHCP server natin, pareho lang din. And yung DHCP, ano pa bang pareho? So, yun, basta same lang yung lumabas sa CMD. So, sa command prompt natin and then sa network connection details. So, in the wireless network, wait. So, close the command window and the network details. So, ayan. In the wireless network properties, click security. Ito yung sa ano natin. Diba? Status, then wireless properties. responsive natin siya dito. Wireless properties, click security tab. So, the type of security the connected wireless router has implemented this place. Click the show characters checkbox. So, for privacy matters, hindi ko na siya i-show characters. Then, select and right click then click OK. Then, ano pa ba sinabi dito? Then click OK. Close the wireless network properties and the Wi-Fi status window. Select and right click the Wi-Fi option. Connect and disconnect. So, connect and disconnect. So, a pop-up window. So, since nakakonect na tayo or na-detect niya yung Wi-Fi and nakakonect na tayo dun sa Wi-Fi na yon, so wireless connection natin. So, hindi na natin kailangan mag-join kasi nakakonect na siya. So, if you have selected a secure SSID, you are prompted to enter the security for this. So, hindi na natin siya kailangan gawin. So, step 3, work with your wired and NIC. On the other network window, select and right-click Ethernet option, display the drop-down list. If the NIC is disabled, enable it. So, na siya, enable. So, click status. Status. Then, connect na yung Ethernet cable natin sa ating laptop. So, in the status window, the results display information about your wired connection to the LAN. So, ayan yung IPv4 connectivity, internet, then media state enabled. So, click details. So, ayan yung address information natin for your LAN connection. So, yung physical address na is 00-EO-4C-36-16-6D. So, yung IPv4 address natin is 192.168.100.111. Then, ayan. Punta ulit tayo sa CMD. So, type ulit natin yung ipconfig-all. So, punta tayo sa my Ethernet adapter Ethernet 2. So, ayan yung makikita natin. Same lang ulit siya. Physical address natin, which is this, 00-EO-4C-26-16-6D. Yung IPv4 address natin, same lang din. Then, yung DHCP server, same lang din. So, ayan, nakikita natin. Then, close all windows on your desktop. In part 2, you will use network icons in your system tray to determine and control the NICs on your PC. So, click X natin ito mga to. So, ayan, click the system tray, click the network icon. Tapos yung SSID information. Click network and internet settings. So, ayan. So, click change adapter options. So, ayan, in the network connections window, right-click Wi-Fi and select disable. So, disable natin yung Wi-Fi. Examine system tray, click the network again. And the Wi-Fi is disabled. Wireless networks are no longer in range. So, click natin to. So, wala na, hindi nakita yung wireless connection natin. So, you can also disable the Ethernet network by disabling the Ethernet adapters. So, disable din natin. So, ayan. In the network connections window, disable all the Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapters. So, naka-disable na siya pareho. The system tray now display the network disabled icon. So, ayan. So, lalabas dito is not connected, no connections are available. So, you can click this icon to return to network and internet settings. So, click natin to. So, yan yung lumabas sa atin. Not connected. Then, in this network, you can click troubleshoot to use the PC to resolve the network issue for you. So, troubleshoot. So, detecting problems. Then, if you're not sure, select the last option, delete. So, all network adapters. So, ayan. Ethernet 2 adapter is disabled. Problem is found. The Wi-Fi adapter is disabled. So, try this repair as an administrator. So, wait lang natin. Verifying the network. So, ayan. Wi-Fi adapter is disabled. Detected. So, yung Ethernet 2 adapter disabled natin is na-fix, no? Troubleshoot natin. So, close. So, ayan. So, okay na siya. Then, lumabas na yung sa network icon natin na connected yung Ethernet cable natin. So, why would you activate more than one NIC on a PC? So, i-activate mo lang yung more than one or multiple NIC sa PC mo. If kailangan mo pa, kung hindi lang isang path yung kailangan ng PC mo, like, kunwari yung PC mo is, PC mo is used as proxy server, ganon. Parang sa mga COMMS shop, ganon. Parang marami siyang connections throughout other PCs. So, that's the end of this vlog.